Hello friends, welcome to Jerry's Home Kitchen. Today I will be showing you how to make a delicious, easy pizza sauce which gives the pizza its flavor and mouth-watering taste. If you have a choice, no occasion is complete without the desire to have a pizza. I love it too. If you are new to my channel, please do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's get started. We will begin with blanching the tomatoes. I have taken 6 to 7 tomatoes of mixed variety, normal and sour ones. I have removed the eyes of the tomatoes and made a crisscross with a knife on the reverse side of the skin. Place a vessel on the stove with 8 to 10 glasses of water. Light the gas and allow it to come to a boil. Put in the tomatoes. Cover and cook it for 3 minutes. Remove and cool. Now peel the skin completely. Chop the blanched tomatoes into bits. Transfer to a mixie jar and grind it coarse. It should have fine chunks for that beautiful texture. Do not grind it to a paste. This is the required consistency. Place a kadai on the stove and light the gas. We shall now put together our pizza sauce. Add 3 to 4 tablespoons of olive oil, which is the best option. Keep the flame on low. I have added a little extra oil to give it a better shelf life. Add the bay leaf. Add 10 to 12 garlic pods which have been chopped finely. Sauté it a little. Add 1 medium, finely chopped onion. Sauté till it starts to change color. Do not brown the garlic and onions. Add the blanched tomato mixture and let it cook for 2 minutes. Stirring it well in between. Add half teaspoon of chilli flakes, half teaspoon of oregano, half teaspoon of pepper powder, half teaspoon of sugar and half teaspoon of salt. Now add 3 tablespoons of tomato puree. Mix well. Add half teaspoon of vinegar and 1/4 teaspoon of basil. You can use the fresh basil if you desire. Cover and let it simmer for 2 minutes. Discard the bay leaf and turn off the flame. Our tasty, delicious pizza sauce is ready. Do make it at home and use it to prepare those mouth-watering pizzas for your loved ones. And let me know in the comment section below. Till we meet again in my next video. Till then, take care and bye-bye.